Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing 5 habits that can make you poor forever. 1. Living beyond your means. The first habit that can keep you poor forever is living beyond your means. This means spending more money than you earn, which can lead to debt and financial struggles. To avoid this, it's important to create a budget and stick to it. Only spend money on necessities and avoid unnecessary expenses. 1. Not investing in yourself. Another habit that can keep you poor is not investing in yourself. This means not acquiring new skills, knowledge, or experiences that can increase your earning potential. By investing in yourself, you can improve your job prospects, negotiate higher salaries, or even start your own business. 1. Not saving for the future. A third habit that can keep you poor is not saving for the future. This means not setting aside money for emergencies, retirement, or other long-term goals. Without savings, you're more vulnerable to financial shocks and may struggle to achieve your goals. 1. Not seeking professional advice. A fourth habit that can keep you poor is not seeking professional advice. This means not consulting with financial advisors, accountants, or other experts who can help you make informed decisions about your money. By seeking professional advice, you can avoid costly mistakes and make smarter financial choices. 1. Not taking risks. Finally, a fifth habit that can keep you poor is not taking risks. This means avoiding opportunities that could potentially increase your income or net worth. By being too cautious or risk-averse, you may miss out on opportunities for growth and financial stability. In conclusion, these are 5 habits that can keep you poor forever. By avoiding these habits and adopting healthier financial practices, you can improve your financial situation and achieve long-term financial security. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and advice.